Introducing Bourns in drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, have transformed from hobbyist gadgets to essential tools for surveying, surveillance, and global logistics. But in these complex systems, one electrical failure can mean the difference between a successful mission and a total loss. Reliability starts at the source. For accurate battery management, Bourns provides high-precision resistors for voltage dividers and low-resistance shunts for critical current sensing. With low tolerances and high consistency, our components ensure your flight controller knows exactly how much power it has left. Protecting the power distribution unit is vital. Bourns recommends MLVs and TVS diodes to clamp overvoltage spikes before they reach sensitive ICs. To manage overcurrent events without permanent downtime, our multi-fuse PPTC resettable fuses provide robust protection that restores power once the fault is cleared, keeping your drone in the air longer. In the world of high-speed flight controllers, data integrity is everything. For communication lines, Bourns offers ultra-low capacitance TVS diode arrays and our signature transient blocking units, or TBUs. These devices provide a high-speed barrier against surges without distorting the digital signals necessary for stable flight. And when it's time to slow down, our PWR power resistors handle the heat of regenerative braking,